How to freeze your location on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you freeze your location on Snapchat. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open Snapchat with your account. Alright, so after you open the Snapchat with your account, you will got such interface. So from here, you will have to tap on map option just at the bottom left corner of the screen. Alright, so now from the map section, you'll be able to see your map here and Snapchat will be showing your location from here. So to turn off that, you'll have to just tap on the setting just at the top right corner of the screen. And now from the setting section, you'll be able to see your options like ghost mode. So simply tap on this ghost mode. And now from here, you'll have to choose until I turn off. Okay, so after you turn on this ghost mode, your friend can't see your location on the Snapchat. So this is the method to freeze your location on Snapchat. And there is also another method to freeze your location on Snapchat. So for that, you'll have to just back from here and open the settings of your device. And now from here, scroll down and go the option app. Okay, so from the app setting, you'll have to find app Snapchat. And after you find the Snapchat app, you'll have to just tap on it. And from the app info, you'll have to go the option permission. Okay, so from the permission, you'll have to go the option location. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to go the option don't allow. So simply tap on it. Okay, so after you done this procedure, you'll be able to freeze your location on Snapchat. So these are the methods. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.